again, everybody. It is I, Dustin, with Generational Garage Doors, heading out to Benicia today to replace some springs. Come along, come take a look. Thanks for watching. Do you mind if I record?
I'll record everything?
Just a little video.
Oh my god, yeah!
Okay.
Can I be the star?
If you want to, go for it. Say hello.
To help your business.
Exactly.
Alright.
I do it all.
Thank God. tightening, huh? Tightening.
Yeah, putting everything back together now.
You own your company or?
Yep. Yep.
Wow.
Yep. You got the owner. I answer the phone and I do the work.
Oh my God. No third party.
No third party.
Okay. Great.
Not allowed.
Not allowed.
Yeah.
Yeah. The success is on your own.
Yep.
Very good. He owns the company. Is it quite busy? Is it
Up and down.
up and down?
Yeah, sometimes I'm swamped
Slow?
and sometimes I'm slow.
Yeah, sometimes
So
in
got-
demand.
yeah,
Yeah.
gotta be smart with my money.
Yes, that's right. Is that WD-40?
So it's
Different kind.
I use 3-in-1 brand.
Oh, let me see, run. Oh, 3-in-1. garage door lube.
Yeah.
Is that in the market?
So you have to get it off of Amazon.
Amazon 3-in-1.
Yeah,
Okay.
sometimes Lowe's. But
Oh, Lowe's, okay.
I get it off of Amazon.
And 3-in-1
Yeah.
garage
Remember the
door.
old black and white oil can? 3-in-1? Same brand.
Same brand.
They just make a garage door lubricant.
Especially, but this is not a good
So
WD-40,
you want to go with something this. This is okay.
which is
This is okay.
lithium green.
Yeah.
This one's
This is-
sticky.
So this one right here is good if your garage door was rusted.
Oh.
If it had a bunch of rust on it and you needed a clean start, appreciate that.
You're welcome.
That's good for that.
Oh,
But
see.
if you're using it regularly, there's no
Okay.
rust.
Okay.
You want something a little bit thicker that'll last a little longer.
Hey, oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Okay, 3-in-1.
That's what I like to use. There's a ton of them out there.
Uh-huh.
They all essentially do the same thing.
Okay.
So you get one in a brand you like, perfect. At least you're doing something. Most people do nothing.
Oh.
Yeah. And that'll help just everything last as long as possible.
Because my wife doesn't want any kind of shrill noise on the
Yeah.
thing, you know. It's good. Everything's tightened and everything.
Everything's good to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's still a little bit of opening there on that.
Yeah, I may need to adjust the motor, but that's okay. Run it a couple of times first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do it
We're
many
keeping
times.
closely because we don't want the rats to come in.
Yes. Yep.
Oh my God, yeah, we have, because we're up on a hill, there's a lot of rocks coming in. Okay, so that's better.
Yeah. I used to have a Chamberlain app on my phone,
Uh-huh.
and it's got it.
There can be programmed
Can you?
so we can
Is it
open it
okay
while on the road.
through the phone?
Yeah, this should pair to your phone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it used to be, and then it's gone. You know, and now I don't know how to do it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you pull it up on your phone, we can see what's going on. Yeah.
Oh wow! But I don't think I have the Chamberlain.
Oh, there's still a little. There you go. That's tight. Okay. Let's see. Again. See if it'll close. That's perfect because it's completely closed.
Yeah,
There's no-
gotta cover up the bottom.
Cover up the bottom. Oh, she doesn't have the apps anymore. That's
I
okay.
don't have the apps anymore. That's okay.
You can download the app. That's no problem. It doesn't take long at all.
Download the app.
It's just called MyQ.
What's the app?
My
Q.
MyQ.
Oh my God, you're internet expert. My
Hey!
Q.
Yeah, my with the letter Q. So yeah, if you go, is this Samsung or iPhone?
iPhone.
Okay, then go to the App Store.
So the App Store.
Yeah, you're gonna want to get it from the App Store.
Wait, I'll get. Oh, here.
Eyeglasses. Thank you, Dustin.
Yeah, no problem. Oh, you have the MyQ app. It's right here.
Oh, there.
Yeah. So let's open it up.
Oh,
Okay. My hands are a little dirty.
That's
here.
okay.
there you go.
All right, so you have to log in.
See, I don't know
Log in.
my passport.
Okay, then just
Change.
start new. Start new. You
Yeah.
can use Amazon, Apple, or Google.
I let my son do it for me. Okay.
Okay.
Because
Don't know.
I don't
Yeah,
know what.
that's totally okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Continue with an email.
Okay.
Oh, let's do it. Continue with an email.
Yeah, work on that. I'm gonna clean up my mess real quick.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sure.
okay, yeah.
And then
We'll get the.
when you get to a point you don't know,
You accept
I'm here.
You accept credit card.
Yes,
That's it.
absolutely, absolutely.
I'll name it on your GD. Ano na yung email address mo, Jimmy?
B-Town, Jimmy, E.
Capital B?
B, yeah, capital B, and then town, GBE.
Hindi ito ang dapat, mali ang ano. Dapat sa akin. Okay.
I want to say hi.